Hey there, it is April Byrne, and I am back with an update on some of the new, way cooler features that the Searchie app now has available. Okay, let's start with my favorite feature, hubs. So what a hub is basically a out of the box website, membership site, course for you where all you have to do is add your information. So let me show you. Here's some of the templates that they have. I mean, hello, these are beautiful. So you can start from scratch, make your own. If you are looking for medical, yoga, cooking, dog training, your personal brand, here's a membership site, starter course, coaching, podcast. Yes, yes, they even will host and manage your podcast. Your digital course, you just click on here and it sets it up for you. Let's do a preview on one of them. Over here we have the Crafty Classroom. Now I'm actually going in and creating a new cool, I can't tell you all the details yet, but let's just say that I am building out a hub with the Crafty Classroom. So look how simple, look how simple this is. It's so easy. It's beautiful. It's clean. It's streamlined. It's easy for your audience to be able to see and use. You have your home page. Click on Get Started. Uh-oh, that's no good. No boy, no. Start watching. So when you do this, it opens up like the chapter, like the, I don't know how else to explain it. It opens up like your chapter, and here are all the videos that go along with that. Look how simple this is, how streamlined. It is a beautiful layout. You can click over here. You can get a transcript. It automatically creates a transcript, creates like a playlist of all of your videos. You can add your uploads. You can link, I'll show you. You can link to your Google Drive. I'm getting ahead of myself. So anyhow, these are some of the cool templates that they have. So basically all you have to do, let's go in here and look at the hub that I've started, okay? So here is my dashboard. It gives you really simple, easy to follow steps, you know, set your privacy. Who do you want to see? Do you want to be able to lock it out? Does it need to be members only? Or is everybody allowed to see it? Do your branding, add your content. And so it's so easy. Look at this, manage content. Okay. So I have all my videos all up in here. All I have to do is click on add content, import from my library, and then it will take all of the videos and everything that I've already created, and it will import them for me. Simple. Oh my gosh. Now watch this. It's going to come in and it's going to add them right here for me. Watch, select playlist. So let's start with phase 1. Which ironically is how to set up a Kajabi site, which I love Kajabi too, but I am kind of leaning towards Searchie. I'm not going to lie. I'm kind of in love with this one. It's winning my heart. But look at this. Everything is set up now. So let's go in. Let's do a preview. And I'll show you what it looks like actually in use. So we haven't set any of this up. This is super simple. I'll show you that in a minute too. Look at this. It's all right here. All of my videos. You click on it. It's all set up and ready to go. Easy. So easy. And then any attachments that I want to add, go right here. You can automatically download the video, download just the audio for my videos, or download the transcript. You don't have to do anything extra. I'm telling you, this is like a game changer. I love Searchie. Can you tell? I just love Searchie. It's amazing. So anyway, let me go back in here to my hub. It's so easy to add the designs, to add stuff. So if you wanted to add a video, you would just click on one of the videos, or you can upload, you know, and add your own content, or you can create a folder. What do you know? That would be how you would add your own content. So, okay, styling. So you can change it super simple right up in here. I keep clicking on that for some reason. Choose your file. You can upload all of your branding and everything into that file. It just makes it so easy. Okay, so you can add sections. So you saw here we have, what's new. It shows you this. You can add, let me click on this and I'll show you. You can add a grid. You can add a search bar. Remember how we showed you before you can search in the videos? That would be how you would do that. You can add a carousel with your layouts, columns. You can add sidebars. You can feature a certain section if like you're introducing something new, like say this is the content for the month. You would easily just go in there and click feature. Your content, it's all right here. Easy, easy, easy to lay out. Okay, let me go back. Now I think the thing that makes Searchie so amazing is that it was built by a membership site guru, Stu McLaren and his team. It was built for memberships. It was specifically designed for content and how to use it. So it's so simple to follow. Here you go. You just click on the welcome to Searchie. Here's what we need to do. Upload, import content, upload your videos, import with the app integration, install the Chrome extension, which, let me tell you what, there's an extension that lets you record directly from your screen like I'm doing right now, and it instantly will upload it into your Searchie account. Hello, free, comes with your account. Something new that they've added is this Wisdom AI plugin for your content. And so it kind of creates like a little virtual you where it takes all of the content. And so you'll type it in and say, it's kind of like an upgraded version of like taking you right to where you want in the video. And the Wisdom AI will go through and figure out what you have said in the past. And then they'll create this whole reference and section for your audience. Yeah. Amazing. So you pick a hub template, create a digital product. I was just showing you that. And then here's all of the support. And let me tell you, their support is fabulous. And they're always upgrading and adding things. It's top notch. Let me show you the apps next. Okay, so the apps that integrate with Searchie, Dropbox. So you can directly import your Dropbox media. So if you have all of your videos in your Dropbox, it will import directly into Searchie. Hello, yeah, so easy. Your Google Drive, same thing. Do you have a podcast? Because your podcast feed can upload to Searchie, and then your episodes are all transcribed for you. Same with OneDrive. Oh, those Facebook Lives that you do in your group, and you have all of that training. Hello, instantly uploads into Searchie for you. And I was telling about the record, where it will record and your screen, upload it. You can now collect payments inside of Searchie. The widgets, this is what we were talking about, where it allows your audience to find the exact moments in your content by searching via transcriptions. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. You can connect your Vimeo Pro, Wistia, YouTube. Yeah, you can import your YouTube channel into here and get it searched. And so you're, it's easy to find everything that you've ever said just by typing it in. That sounds kind of creepy, but that's not how I meant it. You can also upload Zoom meetings. If you've had Zoom meetings and you want to be able to have your audience search through those. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to leave a link down below so you can go ahead and check out Searchie for yourself. It is an affiliate link, just an FYI. And I want to know, what do you think? What do you think about Searchie? What do you think about all the cool improvements that they made? I'm telling you right now, it used to be Kajabi was my number one that I would recommend to anybody looking to build a membership site or a course. Kajabi was just top notch. But now Searchie has put itself up there and above that. And I'm going to use that for my next one. I'm using Searchie to build out my next little something for crafters and creatives. But Kajabi's still good. But Searchie definitely has taken the cake on this one. So I'm going to leave a link down below. Go ahead, check that out. Let me know. Leave a message in the comments. Let me know. What do you think about Searchie? What was your favorite new upgrade and feature that came with it? Have a good night.